In today's video, I'll show you how to create a clean opening where tall vertical sections move across the screen and reveal your video in a rhythmic and modern way. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the very beginning of the timeline. This effect works best when used as an intro. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find irregular slices. Then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, vertical bar-like slices move into place and reveal the video underneath, creating a structured yet dynamic visual entry. Use the duration slider to control how fast the slices move. Shorter duration makes the reveal quick and punchy. Longer duration slows it down, making the movement smoother and more cinematic. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the slice motion matches your music or pacing. And that's it. You've successfully added an irregular slices reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.